this countertop would be hard to take off without
Yeah.
risking breaking it. Most likely will break or crack.
You got some weak points.
Let's see. Like this one's glued in and not screwed in, which make it even more. Looks like there's a screw there, but yeah, it might go all the way through. But there's only that one, so it might have a lot of glue in it. Okay. And this is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And this floor already has about a ½ an inch of material, and that's about an inch or so above it. And if you put your fingers in here, you can actually see how far down that floor is.
Yep, and it's a lot. Yeah, darn it. Well, so we have two directions to go: countertop or tile.
Tile, and we're talking about probably have to remove this 6 pieces right here.
Yeah. And then if they break, this one's already broken.
Well, the good thing is they're not all the exact same, so as long as we find something that looks like rock tile, might work. And the size, size is so, like some manufacturers go like, I think that's a 16-inch tile, but they'll go 15 3/4, 15 5/8, 15 7/8, and they'll call it 16-inch, but they're not all the same.
Right.
But we might have a good chance of finding something that will kind of look like it. It's not going to be this exact floor, but we could maybe find something
similar. 6 pieces. Okay. Well, how would you feel about attempting to do it and salvage the tile if the owner does sign off on, hey, we'll do our best to not break it and reuse it, but you need to understand that if it happens, then
yeah, I mean, based on experience, when it's on that mat that I'm talking about,
they break.
They are really on there. Like those tiles are really on there. That mat really does its job. So based on experience, they will break. One of the things that makes a job like this, and I've already done a couple like this, what makes it more expensive, is the running around town trying to find something that will work.
Yeah.
I have spent, and that was on a property that all the tiles were the same, but I have spent up to 6 hours looking for tile, going from one place to another.
I guess that's the next step then, is seeing if she has any stored away somewhere, and then also put some kind of an acknowledgement together that if we're unable to find replacement tile, then we'll get something that matches as closely as possible, but that's kind of the best we're going to be able to do.
And I'm not
I don't feel good about.
I'm not sure if I can give you an actual estimate, Because like I said, you know, I can go to the first tile store and find it. I can have to go down to American Fork and hit every single store from here to there, you know. I one thing what I can do is give you guys a do not exceed. You know, if I think I'm going over this amount, you know, then I'll have to call you and say, you know what, I haven't found it. You want me to keep going, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Let me go grab a measuring tape real quick to measure the tiles. That way,
Okay.
I have an idea of what we're doing.
Get another shot of this. So, even if we cut the leg, that's still not going to make it from right there to the lip right there. And that goes for the other side too. And of course you have all of this wiring and hardware underneath, so even putting a new one in, if we cut the legs, that's not going to work. It will set on that. On the new one, we risk damaging it. So the tile pretty much has to come out no matter what. So
that's good. The tiles are 15 3/4. They are easier to find that when they're like 15 5/8 or 7/8 or something like that.
okay. All right. So no countertop pole, and tile's got to come out no matter what. So